Katumba wamala ngayogera ku nsonga za Karuma. Katumula.
Now, within a week from today, we are permanently closing this bridge. Permanently. So that we can give these people enough time to do work. Because now we are not only going to replace what you have seen down there as rotten things, but we are going to replace the top. The whole of the deck is going to be replaced. So that it is made more safer to avoid those kind of leakages that you have seen down there. We are also going to improve on the safety provision, like what you see along like a fence along the sides of the bridge. We are going to put more strong materials to ensure that if tomorrow you veer off, God forbid, if you veer off, then you just bounce off and bounce back instead of hitting and going down. So because you know how many trucks have gone down here. So we are going to avoid that by improving those safety provisions. We are also going to put light on the bridge so that people cannot say, I didn't see, I didn't know. Maybe some people may be using the road for the first time. So we are going to put light. We are going to improve on the approaches a bit, not so much. Maybe clearing some of the approaches and also putting better signage as we approach the bridge. So what we are going to require now is the cooperation of everybody, because this is a safety issue. It's not about politics, it's not about anything. Please, I would call upon everybody to not bring in politics in this matter. This is a safety issue, and all of us, we must be concerned. One time I got a letter from the LOC one here, the LOC chairman, and was saying my people are now poor. Open the bridge so that they get money. But how can we open the bridge for people to die because they have to get money? So let's be patient. What's our target? Our target is that from now, when we close on Monday, we give ourselves part of the remaining week of September.
Yeah, Masaka baforcingibwa okuyita minera mu mpigi. Olugendo lwatalumanyi ng'ogenda Mbarara ludaabulinga Masaka. Obanga agenze Masaka n'okomawo okutuuka okuva empigi okutuuka eri gye twaviirangayo Eviira Maria. Bakigumira ng'era abantu bagenda ewaabwe, abantu bagenda Mbarara, ng'abantu bagenda Masaka. Actually up to now traders zikkirizibwanga kuddayo okuyita mu Katonga, which is weird. Which is weird. Kikwata n'ensonyi kinyumya nti na buli kati tetunamaliriza Katonga bridge. Tubasaba abagenda okukola Karuma tubeegayiridde. Beautification is part of it. Fe abatambudde Uganda eno n'abatambudde ensi eno, amazzi aga ga Nile nga gayita ku Karuma bye bimu ku bifo ebisinga okulabika obulungi mu Uganda, bye bimu ku bifo ebisinga okulabika obulungi mu nsi yonna. Mu beautifying ka bridge kabeere sweet nga bwe mwakola ak'ejjinja nga kagira ne kaaka ekiro, omuntu alikuwa nagamba wow, add to the beauty of the Almighty. Temwikola kibuligi ndi tugenda bugenzi ekiguluba. Clean it, sweep it clean, make it straight, make it beautiful. Kave no nga kabuka bwe nga kagenda. Bagambi batya? General Katuma says they hope to have the bridge repaired by Christmas. The Minister of Works for Transport, General Katumba Wamala, yesterday ordered the complete shutdown of Karuma Bridge effective 23rd September to facilitate its repair and revamp. Yes, tuba tugamba ne mwatugamba nti bridge nkyamu naye tukyayitako bwe tunaagwamu nga muleka mugamba sore mukoze ekyamagezi nnyo okuvaayo. While addressing the media at the bridge, Gen. Katumba said the government hopes to complete the works before the festive season. Download
the Salt Media app from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.